Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of sandals that I've got on Asos, and they are called, actually I removed packaging from outside, but this is the box. The brand is called Public Desire, and I've got in UK 8 black buckle, white fit Carmen chunky sandals, and they looks, here is the model. This is the site that you can buy shoes from, but I've got them on Asos some week ago or something. So let's see how they look like. When I open box, they looks like this. They come in some paper wrap, and then we have sandals wrapped in some other like dust bag or something. And this one looks like this. So I did video before when I got them to show you, because they were selling fast and they might be not available anymore, I don't know. So they looks like this. I like the design. They looks like this material looks like it's some kind of Channel dupe. Like, see that they make suits from this material on Channel brand, and it has buckles like this. Looks cute, like looks like they are bags, but they like bag have this kind of buckles, but they don't twist, so it's like fake. But they are on Velcro. So here, and here Velcro. This is wide fit, but as you can see they are not that wide, and I don't know if they will fit. According to this thingy, it says they are made from the textile and not the real leather. But I actually think that they might be made from leather inside and trims here. Cause when I look under the layer inside here, it looks like real leather here. But maybe it's fake, I don't know. Maybe it's fake. Now they make so well that thingies. But when I even look here like this, it seems to me like a real one. So maybe they are from real leather, at least inside. But they have some stinky smell, like some plasticky smell. And they have here some leather accents, and the bottom, this part is also leather material, so looks like this. And they are not much like bendable, they don't bend at all, so some reviews saying they are not comfortable because they are really stiff. So they might be not that comfortable. Another one looks like this. So I will try them on and see how they look on me. this is how they look on me. My sandals. Fun. A little bit narrow, even wide fit is narrow, kind of. So if you had wider feet, then I don't know. I might be not good. Okay, that's it. Now I think they sold out, but maybe they will come back. Okay, so that's it for this unboxing. Hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.